to renew Florida driver's license. To start, search Google and type Renew Driver License Florida. And then you will see the first link. We have Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. So in here, we have the FLHSMV or Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles website. In here, you can renew or replace your Florida driver's license or ID card. So you will see the general information, the requirements, and the instructions on how to renew your driver's license. So in order to renew online, we need to go to my DMV portal. Click the link and then you will see welcome to my DMV portal. So you could log in to your portal. You could also visit the driver's license check and the motor vehicle information check. So in here, click on log in to my DMV portal. So in here, you will see the Driver Privacy Protection Act warning. So check agree to the terms of the Driver Privacy Protection Act. And then if you're already member, you type your email here and also your password. Then after logging in, there will be instructions on how to renew your driver's license. And then that's it. So this is how to renew your driver's license in Florida. So that's it. This is how to renew Florida driver's license.